Hi, Pre-K friends. I'm Miss Jessica, and I am back to read your story today. And we are reading Say Hello by Rachel Isadora, and this book is published by the Penguin Group. Today, while we are reading the story, we are going to stop and we're going to take a look at the different characters. We looked at the different characters one other day. Today, we're going to look at the characters and we're going to think, what is their job? Or how are they being a helper? So think about that, and we'll pause on the pages and we'll see how people are working and how they're helping in their community or in their neighborhood. So say hello. Carmelita gets up early in the morning. She helps her mama make their favorite breakfast, huevos con tocino. Today we visit Abuela Rosa, Mama says. Already we see a helper. Carmelita is helping her mom make breakfast. You could be a helper in your own home. After breakfast, Carmelita hurries and gets dressed, then gets Manny. They walk all the way down 9th Avenue. Buenos dias, Senor Enrico calls. Buenos dias. Woof. There's Senor Enrico. What is his job? I see that he is working in a store. That helps people get food if they need it. Shalom, said Mrs. Rosen and her children. Shalom, shalom. Woof. They stop in at the Japanese restaurant to say hello. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Woof. Oh, look at this page. They stopped in at the Japanese restaurant. Look at all these people working. She's working too. Yeah, at a restaurant you can go and you can get food, and these are the people who are cooking. Maybe you call them a chef. And she's there to greet people and help them. Down the street, they meet Joseph and his parents, who have just come back from Kenya. Jambo, Jambo, woof. They pass by a bakery. Carmelita stops to look in the window. Let's go in to get some cookies, her mama says. Bonjour, bonjour, woof, woof. Your dog speaks French too, the woman says, smiling. The woman is working in the bakery. So if Carmelita and her mom said they wanted to get some cookies, she would help them. Assalam alaikum. Assalam alaikum. I notice on this page there's some words that says halal butcher and meat and eggs. So this family, it seems to me that they might own the butcher shop where people in the community and the neighborhood can go and get meat. I see meat hanging. Ciao, ciao. Oh, look, he's tossing something up in the air, and there's some pizzas down here. I think he is working in a pizza shop. Ni hao, ni hao. Woof. Did we get this wolf over here? In the park, Carmelita meets her friends Max and Angel. Hey, yo, what's up? Woof. You're one smart Snoop dog, Angel says. If you look on this page, they're in a park, but you can still see their city behind them. When they turn the corner, Abuela Rosa is waiting for them. Hola, hola, woof. Manny seems to know what I'm saying, Abuela Rosa says with a wink. Manny knows how to say hello in many languages, Carmelita says, smiling. Jingle, jingle, is the it's the ice cream truck, Abuela Rosa says. Woof. That means Manny wants some too, Carmelita says, and gives Manny a big hug. Look, I see one more helper here. Yeah, he's working in the ice cream truck and all these people. Maybe it's a hot day, like in the summer, and they're coming to get some ice cream from him in his truck. We saw lots of people working and helping as Carmelita and her mom walked to her abuela's house. Take a look around your neighborhood or think about it. Who works and helps in your neighborhood? In my neighborhood, we have a bakery and we have a little grocery store that we can go to. We have a Chinese restaurant. We have all different kinds of places where we can go and people will help. All right, take a look around your neighborhood. We'll see you soon. Thanks.